American dream? Are you living the American dream or the American nightmare? የትኛው ነው? American dream or American nightmare? ይሄን ቪዲዮ እያየ ከሆነ maybe it's your lucky day. ለምን? not only the American dream ምን ማለት እንደሆነ እነግርሃለሁ ወይም አሳይሃለሁ, but also if you're willing ታይምን ዴዲኬት ማድረግ ከፈለክ couple hours a day, I will show you እንዴት አድርገህ የአሜሪካን ድሪም እንደምትለው. So this is my not only my first, I've done it, maybe this is my third time coming back to do the American dream. I've done it once, back to zero, second time 6-7 figures, back to zero, third time around. So I know a little bit about the dream, but before that let me tell you what's not the American dream. ወይ ደግሞ አሜሪካን ድሪም ምን ማለት እንደሆነ briefly. አሜሪካን ድሪም ማለት false advertisement ሳይሆን false dream, because 98% will never make it. እስቲ አንተ ኮመንት ጻፍ. Are you living the American dream? Yes or no? What do you think? American dream እየኖርክ ነው? You living the life? When is the American nightmare? የትኛው ላይ ነው? American dream የእውነት ማለት only the 2 or 1 or 2% of the population does that. The rest 98%, unfortunately, the American nightmare ነው የሚኖረው. Paycheck to paycheck, driving in traffic to work, back, hustle, get paycheck, pay bills, misery. But there's a way out. A lot of people ታይሙም የላቸውም ለማሰብ, ኢንተርቴይን ለማድረግ ቢያውቁትም they're not, taking action. But the American dream ማለት not only financial freedom, time freedom, the ability to do whatever you want. በፈለከው ሰዓት I can just get up and right now it's 11 something a.m. Chicago time. I'm doing videos, then I go to Starbucks, then but my job has been done. My office, people doing the job. I'll be sleep, job is done. So I'll show you እንዴት አድርገህ the American dream, the 2% የሚኖረውን መኖር እንደምትችል አሳያለሁ. It's not just saying talking. ኮሚቴያችን ውስጥ 800 ፕላስ ሰው አለ. Are the all 800 action takers? Absolutely not. The 2% scenario እኮ በአክሲደንት አይደለም የተፈጠረው. There's 2% only willing to take action. So after the 800 people, maybe 20, 30, 40ዎቹ they're actively doing it. ሌላው 6 time, unusual ስለሆነ ያልተለመደ ከህፃንነት ጀምሮ ክላስሩም ሂደህ መፍጋት, ከዛ very strong የሆነ ሀቢት ስላለ እሱን ለመቀየር ባንዴ ቀላል አይደለም. ራክፌለር and the family did their job. human being ማሽን አድርገውታል, ማሰብ እንዳይችል ለራሱ ማለት ነው. go to school, get a job, live until 75, they retire. life is suck ካደረጉት በኋላ. don't be that. There's a real way of the American dream. Take time and learn from people like us. ናና ተማር. how much is it going to cost you? ይሄን ሁላ ነገር ተምረህ put a price to it. ምን ነው ኮስት? እንደዚህ if I can show you to being in the top 2% and living the dream, how much would you pay? የሚያስገርም, there's no fee, it's free. Good. Only if I see your courage, I'm going to waste my time. Otherwise, if you're the 98%, there's nothing nobody can do. Who's the best and the greatest mentor of our lifetime? Who's the mentor, like one of the top mentors in the entire universe? Isn't it Jesus? Jesus ምንድን ነው ያደረገው? He didn't go around and feeding people. እንዴት ፊሽ እንደምታደርግና feed yourself and your family and your people, he show you. The same thing here. I'll show you how to fish, how I feed my family, and how I'm able to prosper. Not once, 3 times coming back. I'll show you that, but it takes your ass and courage to do all that things. You got to take action. Simple dreaming is not going to do anything. So now you have the chance. Instead of just giving all the kind of excuse and drama and this and that, come take action. We'll show you. And live the life you deserve. You deserve better. You deserve to live life, not, being enslaved. Modern day slavery. It's going to work. Being a boss, telling you to do this, that, this. You don't need to do that. So come join the community. Link alallashu somewhere. Ephraim Studio, and let's show you. Yeah, man.